How to fix Gmail spam. In this video guys, I will show you the easiest solution how to fix this on your Gmail. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go directly to settings option, and here you have to search only for apps, and here on apps you have now to go directly to Gmail. Where is Gmail? You open it when you found it like this, and then you have to go directly to storage. On storage, don't click on clear data, click on clear cache guys, don't forget, and go back, click on force stop and click also OK. And now you have to go to this option, install unknown apps, and you have to disallow this option like this, and that's it. Your problem will be fixed. If it's not working to you, you have to go to Play Store and update again your Gmail if it's not updated, and that's it. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like it and also subscribe in our channel. See you in another videos.